to downtown. Fort McMurray, downtown. Actually, final ko lang yung, re-apply ko lang yung CCB ni Sean, Child Care Benefit. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel after a long time. It's been a long time. Now the weather here in Canada is turning to spring. Spring means almost over the winter. I'm speaking in English again because Daddy is here, the Nepali guy. He is driving safely. I will show you the view. So here's the view. Still there are snows, but melting now. We are going to downtown. This is the view. It's making wet pa the windshield. And our Sean is in the school, so he's not with us. Later, I will pick him after school in the bus stop. Small town. We're here in Fort McMurray, Alberta. The coldest province in Canada. No, not coldest, because in Yukon, Yukon is different. Coldest in Alberta, Fort McMurray. The northest part of Alberta. I just have some work to do in downtown. We're staying in uptown, and Mr. Nepali Daddy has work. His work. He will go to downtown, so I go with him. Later, I'll go back home by bus. I will show you also how's the bus in Fort Mac. So yeah, guys, this one, if you'll notice all the white with snows, that is a river, but because of during winter it frozen and become frozen river. Now, yeah, slowly it's melting. It will turn back to water and become a river again. See how cold, my god. Very cold. Yeah.
A few minutes later.
And now this is way to downtown. Fort McMurray, downtown. So this is how it looks. The small community, small city. This is the downtown of Fort McMurray. The brown color building is the municipality of Fort McMurray. Wood Buffalo, this one.
There is white buffalo somewhere.
White buffalo is hiding somewhere. Some banks, big banks, BMOs. And we're gonna pass by also our mall, Peter Pan Mall.
The biggest one.
The only mall. Ay, that's the municipality. And biggest and only mall in Fort Mac. And there is casino, entertainment also there. And here's the Peter Pan Mall, the mall. Dollarama is like, the affordable, how do you call that one? anything you can buy in Dolorama for affordable value. Here's the Peter Pan Mall. We're in limited brands only, you can see. And fast food available here. A&W. It's there. There is drive-thru also. There's supermarket, but it's inside, not in the main road. We call it Canadian Superstore. And there is Freshco going inside. Freshco is a supermarket over there inside. And on the left side, there is McDonald's. And here we are, we park now, we're done, we reached our destination. But Daddy will go, Prakash will go to his work. He's working in his work. Sige na Daddy, bye-bye na. See you later.
Yep. Bye, wag mo yan.
Look at here.
Sige
Bye
na.
na. See you guys.
Bye-bye.
So, ayan guys, ako na lang uuwi mag-isa galing sa somewhere. Actually, final ko lang yung, re-apply ko lang yung CCB ni Sean, Child Care Benefit, which is, yun para sa mga batang even temporary resident or permanent resident or citizen na mga bata sa Canada, nakaka-receive sila ng monthly allowance from the government. But for those who are newcomer in the Canada, kailangan at least yung parents or pati yung bata nakapag-stay ng at least 18 months sa Canada. Then they are eligible and entitled to get the CCB. So guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa bus stop waiting for bus going to Uptown again, Timberley, because Daddy is not available now. So dito ako ngayon, nag-aantay. I don't know how many minutes, but antay-antay lang. Dun sa mga curious nga pala regarding sa child care benefit, bakit ngayon ko lang in-apply? Ni-re-apply kasi based sa permit of stay namin, yung validity kung kailan, hanggang kailan pwedeng makareceive ang mga temporary residents. Since yung permit ko kasi dati before namin is dati study permit ako. So ngayon, after mag-study, it converted to work permit. So ang validity ng study permit ko is until March 2026 only. So expired na, ano na tayo this time, April. So nag-apply na ulit ako ng bagong permit as work permit. So yung child care benefit ni Sean is kailangan uling i-reapply kasi hindi na siya makaka-receive based on old validity ng study permit niya. Kaya yun. Guys, ayun na yung bus. Sasakay na ako. Snow na naman.
Moments later.
Ayan guys, grabe! Ayun na naman ang snow. Like this. Ayan na naman. Kita na nga yung kalsada eh. Ganda-ganda eh. Ngayon, ayan na naman siya. OMG. Nice. OMG. Snow na naman. Hay, 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 hay. Mali. Mali pala ang susi. The other one. Okay. Oh no, guys. Ayan na naman. Ang kapal na naman ng snow. Kanina lang, wala pa. Non-stop na naman. Sunduin ko si Sean today in the bus stop. Come with me. Ayan, lapit na tayo sa bus stop. OMG, lamig. Wait natin si Sean again. Here, lamig. I hope there's still heater. Oh my God. I hope still working. Still there is a sound, but it's right here, guys. Buti na lang it's working. Haha. Because some bus they stop activate the heater because sabi tapos na gawin ko. Buti na lang ito hindi. The bus is there now. Bus. Hi! Hello! Oh. I cannot see the face. Oh no! Be careful, ah. Slippery. Give me the bag.
Hello and welcome back to another channel in our Nepalipino TV.
Ay, very close up.
Another video, I mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Give
so
me the
cold
bag.
and snowy.
Hello to the viewers.
Getting wet.
Hello,
Wait, is
viewers.
this live?
One eternity later.
Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment down below what you want to see next. And if you are new to our channel and you just found this channel, please subscribe. It is totally free.
Yeah.
You don't need to pay for it. And
Yeah.
also click that notification bell so you can get notified when a new video or live stream or short or whatever really we post gets posted. Yeah. See you in the next video and
Bye.